besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So loves, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use rosemary to grow out your hair, and I'll be showing you two ways you can use rosemary to grow out your hair, like two ways you can add other ingredients to grow out your hair with rosemary. So here we have rosemary and lavender. Okay, lavender is amazing for your hair growth. It treats itchiness of the scalp, it regrow your hair, it treats grayness of the hair. Rosemary helps to grow out your hair, it treats alopecia. So we need a clean bowl or a jar just like that. Then we are going to be using this measuring spoon to measure our rosemary. Okay, so tips: you have to add more rosemary than the other ingredients you are using because you're only incorporating rosemary to this. So I'm going to be using a teaspoon of lavender, not really much, okay, but my rosemary was more than my lavender. Okay, so this is what we have, and I'm going to add hot water inside to infuse it, and I left this to sit for 8 hours because it's dry, so it needs to infuse for a longer time. Okay, this is what it looks like, and it have not started fermenting here. Okay, so this is just a fresh batch. I'm going to mix everything together so everything can combine, and I'll let this to sit for a while. If you're new to the channel, hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, leaving your beautiful comment. And this is the rosemary water and lavender water. Okay, use this every day. It has no smell, you will not think of any smell. This is after 8 hours, so you can see that the first one was a bit lighter and this is more darker, and you see that the rosemary and lavender is already on the bottom of the jar. That is when you know that your water is ready. Okay, so I'm going to strain, and I'll show you guys how I apply this on my hair. So besties, for the sake of this video, I'm using this clip. Okay, so you just apply it all over your hair, and after you apply it all over your hair, you make sure that you really put it very well on your hair. Okay, like from your roots, your tips, your edges, everywhere. Spray it everywhere. This does not smell, guys. Like, it literally does not smell. You can leave this for 5 days, it will not smell. It will still smell the way you as the first day on. Okay, seriously, I'm not joking. See, when you mix rosemary and lavender together, it has no smell. So I'm using my rosemary and cloves oil. Okay, I will drop that video. The video is already in the channel already. Okay, so you can do well to check it out, how I made that combination of that. I use it for my hair, I use it for my daughter's hair. Like, you guys, my daughter's hair, I started doing DIY on her hair when she clocked 2 years. Okay, so when she clocked 2 years, I started doing DIY on her hair, because when she was 1, I was scared that, okay, to affect her scalp and the rest. So I allowed her to reach 2 years before I started using DIY on her hair. So her hair has really grown. Go check out my oil, you see how long her hair is. So you can pour this on your hair every day. Your hair is going to smell nice. It's not going to have any foul smell or the rest. So this is just me applying all this is on my hair. Then I braid my hair at the back and I leave it. I tuck my ends because I don't like my ends to be sticking around. Yeah, so this is how I use rosemary and lavender for hair growth. So love, if you watch this essay, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So here is the second way of using rosemary for hair growth. Use rosemary and cloves. Okay, this is really potent. This is really powerful. Okay, do this on your hair and I guarantee you a massive hair growth. So I'm going to pour this in a pot. Okay, this one is different. I'm not pouring it in a jar. I am cooking this. Okay, so we are putting our rosemary inside. So I'm just eyeballing everything, but with the water. I'm not doing plenty batch for this particular one, so I'm just eyeballing everything. I allow this to cook for a very long time. I allow this to cook for like 20 minutes. If the water, I allow it to cook on a low heat for 20 minutes, so for it to get more potent, more darker and the rest. So I pour this in a jar just like this, and I will allow it to sit for it to get cold before I strain. So this is what we have. So the longer it sits, the more it become more thicker and darker and the rest, which is amazing. As I said earlier on, cloves helps to promote hair growth. It stops baldness of your hair. It helps to clear itching of the scalp. Okay, cloves has a lot of amazing benefits. When you combine cloves and rosemary, these two is really powerful for your hair growth. So I just strain it in this small bowl and I'll pour this in my jar and I'll show you guys how you apply this on your hair. So if you watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate. My name is Naturally Jessie. I once suffer from alopecia. I'm trying to grow out my hair and my edges. Here we deal with natural ingredients to grow out our hair. If you're interested, then kindly hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share it, leave your beautiful and awesome comment. Let me know if you'll be trying any of these two recipes of how to use rosemary to grow out your hair, or if you have tried rosemary before. So for the benefit of this video, I'm using this clip to show you guys how you apply it on your hair. So if you have a clean hair, or you braided your hair, or you have a protective style, just pour it on your hair. It has no smell. It does not smell. It does not have any foul smell. After 5 days, you can dispatch of it. Keep it in your refrigerator for it to be cooling, and it's when you keep it in your refrigerator, like your fridge, it does not keep on fermenting. But when you keep it on the kitchen counter, it keeps on fermenting. Okay, so this is just a benefit of this video. You guys know I'm already on a protective style, which is my braids. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one.